everyone. Today we will learn how to connect an Oracle database in SQL Developer application. Double-click on the SQL Developer.exe file and it's indexing. And you can click the plus button and you can give any name, my database, and after that you will type your credentials and also you will type your host name. This is my host name and port number. Most of the time it's same, and you can click the test and it says success, and we can click the connect now and you can see it's ready. It's running and you see the tables, views, indexes, and let's see what is in here. And let's check the connection with an query. Select asterisk from address. It shows the results. It means your connection is clear and correct. Thank you for watching. See you next time.